Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, we're going to solve this exponential equation. So we have 6 to the power of m is equal to 60. And make sure to stick to the end of the video where I have a bonus question that is similar to this. So we want to find the value of m for this. So 6 to the power of m is equal to 60. Now 60, this is equal to 6 times 10, right? So now I have 6 to the power of m is equal to, if I substitute in 6 times 10 for 60, 6 times 10. Now I'm going to be dividing 6 on both sides. So I have 6 to the power of m over 6 is equal to, these two cancel out, so simply just 10. Now 6, or any number, is the same thing as that number to the power of 1. So 6 is the same thing as 6 to the power of 1. So I have 6 to the power of m over 6 to the power of 1 is equal to 10. Now, an important property of exponents is that if I have something in the form a to the power of m over a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So in this case, for 6 to the power of m over 6 to the power of 1, we can think of a as 6, m as simply just m, and n as 1. So now I have, if I put this in the form a to the power of m minus n, 6 to the power of m minus 1 is equal to 10. Now I'm going to be taking the log on both sides, so I have log 6 to the power of m minus 1 is equal to log 10. Now, an important property of logarithms is that if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, I can actually move this exponent b to the front of the logarithm. So this would be equal to b times log a. Now for log 6 to the power of m minus 1, I'm going to be using this property by moving m minus 1 to the front of the logarithm. So now I have m minus 1 times log 6 is equal to log 10. Now I can go ahead and divide both sides by log 6. So then these two cancel out, and I have m minus 1 is equal to log 10 over log 6. So now I can add 1 on both sides. So I have m is equal to log 10 over log 6 plus 1. Log 10 over log 6, well, log 10 is the same as log base 10 of 10, and this is essentially asking 10 to the power of x is equal to 10. And the only value of x has to be 1, because any number to the power of 1 is itself. So meaning log 10 is equal to 1, so I have 1 over log 6 plus 1. Now the value of log 6 is approximately 0.7782. So now I have 1 over 0.7782 plus 1. 1 over 0.7782 is approximately 1.2850. So I have that plus 1, meaning m is equal to 2.2850. Now we aren't done yet. So we are going to actually check to see if the solution is right. So I have 6 to the power of m is equal to 60. M is equal to 2.2850. So now if I plug in m, I get 6 to the power of 2.2850 is equal to 60. And 6 to the power of 2.2850 is approximately 59.9895, which rounds up to 60. So I have 60 is equal to 60. Because this is right, our solution is right as well. So we have 27 to the power of x is equal to 9. And now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to simplify 27 to the power of x a little. So 27, this is the same thing as 3 to the power of 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute in 3 to the power of 3 for 27. So now I have 3 to the power of 3 to the power of x is equal to 9. And now if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is actually equal to a to the power of m times n. So 3 to the power of 3 to the power of x, we can think of a as 3 in this case, m as 3, and n as x. So this would be equal to a to the power of m times n. So 3 to the power of 3 times x. 3 times x is simply 3x, so I have 3 to the power of 3x is equal to 9. Now 9 here, this is the same thing as 3 squared. So I have 3 to the power of 3x is equal to 3 squared. And now another property of exponents is that if I have something in the form a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n, then this means that m is equal to n. Because if the base is here, these two are the same, then this means the exponents are the same as well. So now for 3 to the power of 3x is equal to 3 to the power of 2, this means that the exponents, 3 to the power of x, 3x and 2, these two are the same. So now we have a simple equation, 3x is equal to 2. So now if I divide both sides by 3, these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to 2 over 3. Now to check, I'm going to plug in 2 to the x equals 2 to the power of 3 in the equation 27 to the power of x equals 9. So now I have 27 to the power of 2 over 3 is equal to 9. Now to solve 27 to the power of 2 over 3, this is the same thing as the cube root of 27 squared. Now 27 squared, that's equal to 729. So now I have the cube root of 729 is equal to 9. And the cube root of 729 is equal to 9. So I have 9 is equal to 9 because this is right. We know that our solution x equals 2 over 3 is right. All right.